In this video we're gonna be replacing rear differential fluid on 2014 Mercedes ML350 W166. I got vehicle lifted using ramps here and here. You should be able to do it without lifting, but since I'm shooting a video, it'll be a lot easier this way for me. Just make sure the vehicle is somewhat leveled. Here's the rear differential. Right here is a drain plug. Fuel plug should be on the other side. Here's the fuel plug. And I'll start with removing the fuel plug. By the way, size of this fuel plug is 14. This pipe is in the way, so I'm gonna try to add an extension. I'm gonna try to add a pipe to it, it's pretty tight there. Nothing came out from fuel plug port. Now I'm gonna remove the drain plug. Here's a drain plug, and here is fuel plug. Overall they look okay, a bit rusted, just a surface rust, but I'm gonna replace them. Got this from FCP Euro, 2 brand new ones. They were very cheap. I'll try to find some on Amazon as well, and if I'll find them I'll provide the Amazon affiliate links in description of this video. And I'll be using this gear oil. I'll probably need about 1.5, we'll see. But on Amazon, 2 of them for about $25, and I'll provide link for that as well. Torque spec for those is 50 Newton meters or about 37 foot-pounds. Gonna put new drain plug in. To fill differential with gear oil, I'm gonna use this pump, marked specifically for gear oil and transmission fluid. I think that should be the last one. Looks like it's seeping, I'll add just a little bit more. Yep, that's it. That's all that left. So it looks like I used about 1.3. Now I'm gonna hand tighten this fuel plug. I'm gonna also clean this area with brake parts cleaner. Well, that's it. I think good time to change differential fluid is about every 30,000 miles. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. I'll provide the Amazon affiliate links for parts and tools I used in this video to get this job done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.